A lullaby for baby Evans. In this evening's edition of A Ray of Hope, 3 Jamaican sisters living abroad have given hope to the Evans family in Maroontown, St. James, whose baby was abducted and returned earlier this year. As TVJ's Kian Morgan reports, the help came just in time as the government threatens to put the baby in state care.
A ray of hope swaddled in the arms of her father while he sings her a lullaby, gripping her tightly, clearly showing he has no intention of losing her again. This follows an ordeal he faced 11 weeks and 3 days ago, to be exact. Then, there was no smile on Walton Evans' face. The daughter he now holds was stolen from the Cornwall Regional Hospital. She was later returned, so too his joy. But it's bittersweet, because deep down he knows he might lose her again. This time to the state, if their living condition doesn't improve. Mr. Evans' story, which was all over the news earlier this year, struck the hearts of 3 Jamaican sisters living overseas. They reached out to help.
And what is a little poverty to take away someone that actually loves their baby?
With her sisters, Shikar Graham, owner of My Lullaby Babies in Florida, raised over $2,000 to help with the renovation of the house. Bags of baby essentials and clothes were also donated to the entire family. Now, Mr. Evans breathes a sigh of relief. Well, somewhat, as he watches his home gets a facelift. He says he has a job, but it doesn't pay much. Miss Graham says she and her sisters were once in his shoes.
We had like 5 of us, 6 of us, 1 bed. So I know what poverty is, and I know how people can behave when they think you can't afford certain things. So this is, I don't even think extremely important would even explain how I feel.
Mr. Evans says losing a child is not new to him.
I get one already, and sake of the house, they took him away. The May 29 of this year, she's 12, and from government taking him away, I don't see her. I never see her, not even one time in my eye.
He promises that this time he won't let this baby suffer the same fate.
I give God thanks, because if it wasn't them, we might be really out of door. And the house that dropped down upon we.
Togetherness is something that I love, and so helping Mr. Evans stay together, this is one of the things that drives me. Long term, we want to maintain him having electricity. We want to make sure that this baby is never out of food. We want to make sure that this family is okay. So when CDA come back here, it is just to give a courtesy visit, not to worry about anything about ever taking away this baby.
With A Ray of Hope, I'm Kian Morgan.
A Ray of Hope